What's going on, guys? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bets. I'm getting into solar. I want to talk about the Coleman 65w briefcase solar charger. There's been a little bit of confusion. I freaking love this thing, and I want to get it out there for people who are looking for a quick review. What is this thing? This thing will charge cell phones. This thing will charge battery banks. Anything that you plug a USB drive into, this thing will charge, and it will do it very nicely. It's got the cutest little feet for you to stand the right side up, and if you're not a nut job like me. Now, this is excellent for rapid deployment, but yeah, check this out here. We have 18 volt out, not 12, 18. So on the Canadian Tire website, we had some confusion here about the 18 volts. I talked to an electrician, and he told me that this is probably for campers. Apparently some campers, many campers have 3 6-volt batteries, so that would be good for charging it there. And apparently you could also use that to charge a regular battery. I have one of these. I keep it in the cage because it's kind of scary. Okay, so I got a better one upstairs, but if you hooked it into here, if you get a barrel plug and hook it into here, I think it'd be good. Now, I'm pretty sure that this unit did not come with a barrel plug, but I got one somewhere else. And here you can see we got 60 watt maximum power, 18 volt rated, open circuit 12.1, short circuit is 3.5. But yeah, as long as you have a controller, I believe you should be able to still charge 12 volt batteries with that. Don't hold me to it. Super happy with this thing. If I could get another one for 75 bucks, I would. If I was rich and I only had 500, I would pick one up, no problem. This is the kind of thing that makes the ladies' knees weak. You'll be the talk of the woods, the macho man that everybody loves. Oh, we're camping and you have a charge cable location for me? Oh, marry me, yes, Daddy. And that, my friends, is how I met your mother. Get over here. Yes, hello. This is Mr. Bigglesworth. How you doing, Mr. Bigglesworth? Anyways, yeah, check it out, guys. Got any questions? Leave it in the comments. I'll check in on you. But seriously, I really like this Coleman solar panel. This cat is solar paneled, and this cat also likes it. It's good stuff. Have a good one. Leave a thumbs up for the cat. Each thumbs up I get will be another bunch of pets for this cute here, like you, Mr. Kitty. Yes, cutie. Yes, yes, that's right, Mr. Kitty.